And ready for the starter, and he presses the button. And Burn Your Name a bit slow with Arkansas and Gift of Primus all going back with Fun Trader. And Landale was first into stride, leading from Texas Ranger and Providential pushing forward. Bakari Toe is fourth on the running rail, and then comes Arkansas Baby Jack is three wide and easing for the moment, and then Bonaventure just behind Fun Trader, Burn Your Name. Adios Muchachos, and then 2 lengths away to Gift of Primus and Fill the Fridge. 1,200 metres left to go, and the lead has changed as Texan Ranger goes to the front. So heading off the back, Texas Ranger by 2 lengths on Landale, who races keenly. 2.5 to Bakari Toa, Providential, and then followed by Burn Your Name, Arkansas, and also Bonaventure in that mid-division. 1.5 lengths to Baby Jack, Gift of Primus, Fun Trader, all racing together. And then 2 lengths away to Adios Muchachos and Fill the Fridges last. So 800 metres left to go. Texas Ranger leads narrowly as Landale goes up on the outside, still a bit fired up. 2 lengths to Providential, and then comes Bakari Toa. Bonaventure's done it tough, but he was that way last time when he won. And then comes Arkansas, Burn Your Name. Baby Jack pulls out from Fun Trader, Gift of Primus waiting. Adios Muchachos, and 3 lengths to Fill the Fridge. On the turn, and it's Texas Ranger about to swing from Landale, and now Bonaventure comes at them with Providential. Bakari Toa's waiting, and to the outside is Baby Jack, and then comes Burn Your Name and Fun Trader. Right across the track, and Providential goes to the front from Bonaventure and Baby Jack down the outside, but Providential's going well. Providential by 2.5 on Bonaventure, and then Baby Jack late on the scene, who's starting to close now after Providential. Providential getting tired, and he just falls in by a head on Baby Jack, and about 3 lengths away Bakari Toa, prominent in a queue up for third with Bonaventure, and then Fun Trader, Adios Muchachos, Burn Your Name, Landale, Gift of Primus, and then came Arkansas, Texas Ranger, and Fill the Fridge always well back.